guys, Mike Garrison here with LiveRC.com. Welcome back for another Thursday Testimonials product review. So, if you were on the site last week, you may have seen my written review of the Racer's Edge shock piston drill bit kit. Wasn't super happy with the drill bit kit, to be honest with you. They didn't seem very sharp. They were very hard to get started in the shock pistons, very hard to drill through. And then once you did, there was a lot of burrs left behind, a lot of cleanup to do with an X-Acto knife, which leaves you wondering, did you elongate the hole? Did you make the hole bigger than it should have been by trying to clean it up? And just a lot of variables, and not to mention my arms cramped up for the next 3 days after trying to work with them. It's not just the Racer's Edge sets. I've used a lot of other sets, and they're very similar, very, very similar. The other turnoff with that one was there was no handle included. I didn't have a handle, so I had to scavenger hunt around the pits to find myself a handle just to get started. And then once I did, I was in a lot of pain just trying to drill my shock pistons. That is when a good pal of mine, he lent me the Pilot RC Carbide shock piston drill bit kit. And I remembered them as soon as he showed it to me from posting this on the site. And I knew when I posted them on the site, I was like, man, this is something I got to try out. I want to try, and then I got to be honest, it just kind of slipped my mind. I didn't think much of it after that. Well, he got me hooked on it as he handed it over, let me do the job with these. They come in this carrying case like this. As you can see, carrying case opens up, holds this here. Comes with 1.0 all the way up to 2.0. They're color coded. They got these cool bumpers on them. And basically how this works, I took out the 2.0 here. Comes with a handle. That's what I'm talking about. Comes with a handle. This goes in here like this, just straight down in. You hit that bumper, tighten it up, you're ready to go. You hold your shock piston, drill away. Good to go. These were very easy to use. The difference between these, in my opinion, from the other drill bit sets that are out there, is there's actually a sharp edge all the way around this. It's almost sharp to the touch. And that really helps getting it started in the shock pistons, and then a smooth drill through, and this left no burrs behind whatsoever. None. Which was very impressive. I was very happy with that. No cleanup whatsoever. Simplified the process, made it faster, was a cleaner process, and also did not leave me with arm pump for the next 4 days just from drilling my shock pistons. So super pumped on that. So as soon as he let me borrow it, I reached out to Pilot RC Products, Matt Klein, the owner of that. He was more than happy to work with me a little bit, because I will admit, coming off of some of the other ones, I went in using the drill bit kit just hot and heavy. Came in, whiskey throttle, strong arming it in the shock piston, and I broke my buddy's 1.2. Snapped that thing right off. Am I saying these are not durable? Absolutely not. But when you are dealing with a 1.2 millimeter drill bit, that size right there, you've got to be careful. And I wasn't exactly being careful. I was maybe a little frustrated from the last drill bit kit that I used and purchased. So, but Matt Klein over there at Pilot RC Products was more than happy. I ordered these for myself, and he was able to hook me up with a new drill bit to replace the one that I had broke. So, yeah, overall, I gotta say, comes with a carrying case, comes with the handle, very easy to use. 5 out of 5 on the beacon rating. I know some people say I'm a little nice on the beacon ratings, but this is truly a great product. $24.99 for this. So I spent $10 more than I spent for the last set. I got I got 1.5 times more pistons. I got a handle. Drill bits for the pistons. I got a handle. I got a carrying case. I mean, can't go wrong there. So check them out, pilotRCproducts.com. 5 out of 5 on this one, Carbide piston drill kit. You can't go wrong. If you're drilling shock pistons, this is the way to go right here. Thanks for watching. Tune in for another Thursday Testimonials product review next week.